Yes. So right now I am in the VC Bird International Airport, guys. Just doing my thing. This video was not planned. I went in there to do some business, and I decided to do a little video while I am inside. So yes, so I am making my way into the old parking lot, car parking lot, and there is where I parked my vehicle. So yes guys, just a little walk down at the old parking lot, and on my way I will show you the old terminal and also the new parking lot down there. And this right here is the new terminal, the VC Bird International Airport. And if you look on the screen, you can see I try to give you guys some information how the VC Bird International Airport come about. So yes, it is a wet day, a little shower, and the place is looking wonderful. Yes, looking beautiful, man. So the Antigua flag, you see they made the flag down there. They use stones and then put the colors of the Antigua's flag right down there. So yes, beautiful. So I'm making my way down to the old terminal, and this is the new terminal right here, guys. So for all of you who wondering how the airport look at this moment, yes, this is it, Antigua and Barbuda, the VC Bird International Airport right here. So the daily parking for the new parking lot, guys, as you can see, long-term parking, and the prices also right on the board right there. So right in front of me is the old terminal, the VC Bird International Airport, and that is the old terminal right over there on my left, and on my right is the new car parking lot, guys. So yes, so daily long-term parking right over there on my right. Nothing much, not much activity down at this side anymore, but I believe there are some business still operate down here. So yes, this is the entrance for the new car parking lot, entrance and the exit right over there. And as you can see, there are a lot of cars inside of the parking lot. And if you look on my left over here, you can see the old terminal. There's not much down at this side anymore. Yes, Antigua and Barbuda, the VC Bird International Airport, guys. So I'm making my way down to the old parking lot. So yes, old terminal on my left and the new parking lot on my right. Yes guys, it is a wet day in Antigua and Barbuda. A little showers on and off. So as you can see the sky, you know that today is a rainy day. So making my way to the old parking lot, guys, so you guys can see. And yes, it is a peaceful and quiet day. Right over there, guys, is a sticky wicket. For you guys who remember the days when that was in full operation. Yes. So one more view of the old terminal right over there, and straight ahead is the new terminal and the new car parking lot right there on my left. So yes, and sticker wicket right over there on my right. So I'm making my way to the old parking lot, and there is where I parked my vehicle. So yes, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all of the support. Yes, and right at this car parking lot right here, it is the old one. $2 you have to pay every hour. So yes, guys, so whenever you're doing your little business over the airport, you have to try your best to do it as quick as possible. So yes, I think I spend an hour, so I'm just going to pay only $2 for the parking. So yes, I'm leaving the VC Bird International Airport right here in Antigua and Barbuda. Yeah. God bless you all. A beautiful day in Antigua and Barbuda. On my left is the Stanford cricket ground on my left. And if you guys remember back in the days 2020, right over there. So yes, guys, this is Antigua, and we are at the VC Bird International Airport, making my way to the exit. So yes, man, remember, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Click that notification bell so you will be notified whenever a new video upload to JahKnoxTV. Thanks for watching. God bless.